so welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you my top 5 best first mods for the Fiesta ST, my shape, which all the modifications that I chose to go on my car first. Right, so getting straight into it, my first modification ever on this car was a splitter. I just like them, they look good. So you can get them from TRC, eBay, Maxton. There's also Delta Styling. So I got mine from eBay and it's lasted me 2 years. It just cracked today. My own fault. So the second modification that I got done to the car was an exhaust. Originally it was the Miltech Sport catback, and now I've got the Cobra Venom. Bit naughty. So I love it so much. It's such a nice, it's a raspy loud exhaust, which I've always wanted and I've got. So I'm happy with that. You can get the Miltech, you can get KMS, you can go for Scorpion, there's Mountune, Powerflow, there's loads. You can go anywhere, you can get more done anywhere you want. Within any budget you can get one done. The third thing I got was the cold air induction. So I've gone with the ITG induction, but there's so many to choose from. There's the Ram Air, the K&N, and I think Powerful. Puma Speed are bringing an R Sport one out soon, because I have been looking at it. So there's one coming soon there. The fourth thing I did to my car, I changed the wheels. Yeah, I went and bought Fox FX 40s in gloss black, 17-inch, and they were alright. But now I've got the Team Dynamic Pro Race Freeze on and I'm not changing them. I love them so much. So yeah, and they look really nice and meaty, and they're in gloss black and they're 17-inch. The last thing I did to my car actually, which is a shocker, it was actually lower the car. So I lowered my car with springs, and I'm lowered 5 centimeters, which is 15mm. But I know a lot of people do, is it 40-20 or 60-40, whichever. You can obviously do coilovers and air, but I do prefer springs on all my cars, just springs. I talk with my hands though, and I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's my 5 things that I did to my car. And that's the best first modifications you can do. So if you're getting a Fiesta ST, there's your top 5 from me. If you're a few other bits you can do, you can obviously change your lights, put them HIDs in, tint your lights, tint your windows, wind deflectors, sun strip, wrap your roof, wrap your wing mirrors, spray your diffuser gloss black. There's a few other things for you. So yeah, it's just a short video today guys, just to keep me in the loop, keep you in the loop. But yeah, so thanks for watching, thanks for liking and commenting, and please keep subscribing. So I'll see you soon, and I'll see you all hopefully at USC. Bye.